Dobry den, this is Coach Julio, and this is day 6, I believe. I'm in Ukraine, currently in Kherson, and what you're seeing right now is an exercise park. I'm not here to exercise. I am getting a lot of walk, but I'm getting a lot of exercise also by volunteering with Splash in Ukraine. But the point of my video is to ask my friends in the United States and anyone around the world to contact your local congressperson or elected leader. Call, tag, write, tag them on social media, and demand continued support for Ukraine. It's real. I am here. There is daily shelling where I am, artillery shelling, and it's indiscriminate. The devastation is long-term, and I won't get into the details, but I think you understand what I mean. Churches, public gardens, playgrounds, doesn't matter. Marketplaces, they just bombing, sending missiles. You can see the news on Kharkiv. It's unbelievable, and it's the textbook version of terrorism. But the point of my video again is to have some positivity. The people of Ukraine are resilient, but don't confuse resilience without not needing help. If Russia stops fighting, there will be no war, and if Ukraine stops fighting, there will be no Ukraine. So please continue to support Ukraine. You're great people, and it's the front line of freedom for the world. Slava Ukraini.